Hello, we're going to do some multiplying by 10, 100 and 1,000 today using our place value. So if I give you the first question, 7.24, and I'm going to multiply it by 10. Now, I've got my squares on my board today, so I can use the squares. We know that when we're multiplying, we're getting bigger. And when we're multiplying by 10, there's 1 0, so we're going to move our digits one place. So when we're getting bigger, we're moving to the left. I'm going to use my number here, I'm going to write underneath. So I'm going to put my decimal point lined up. So my digits have all got to move one place to the left, which is my 7 is going to move into my tens column. All the rest of the digits need to follow, so the 2 and the 4. If I want to put a 0 under that column, I can. So 7.24 times 10 is 72.4. I can put that 0, but it doesn't make any difference. So when I'm writing my answer, I'm just not going to worry. 72.4. Let's try another one. So this time I'm going to go for 136. I want to multiply it by 100. So again, multiplying means we're getting bigger. So we're moving our digits to the left. This time 100, so it's got 2 zeros, which reminds us we're going to move our digits 2 places. So my 1 that's in the hundreds column at the moment is going to move 1, 2 places. My other digit's going to follow. Then I need to put in my placeholder zeros in my tens and ones column. So if we look at my answer now, put my comma in to help me read it, it's 13,600 is my answer to that question. So I can write that over here, 13,600. My next example I'm going to do is 47.2. This time I'm going to multiply it by 1,000. So 47.2, multiplying, getting bigger, 1,000, 3 zeros this time. So I've got to move my digits 3 places. So if I'm looking at my 4, I can move 1, 2, 3 places. It's going to be here. My other digits follow. I need my placeholder zeros. If I want, I've got my decimal point and my 0. That's not going to change my number. So my answer is 47,200. So the things to remember are, when we're multiplying, we get bigger, so our digits move to the left, and the number of zeros tells us how many spaces we want to move our digits. I'm going to give you some to have a little go at now. So number 1 is 49.8 times 10. Number 2 is 363 times 100. Number 3, 4.14 times 10. And number 4, just move that so you can see it a bit better. Number 4 is 3.9 times 1,000. Okay, pause the video while you have a go at those. If you've got square paper to do this on, it's really helpful for lining up your columns. And then when you're ready, play it again and see whether you were right. Okay, so let's just check. We had 49.8. We're multiplying it by 10. So 1 0, one place. 4 is going to move this way. 4, 9, 8 follows suit, 0.0 at the end. So 498 was your first answer. 363 times 100. We're going to move 2 places, getting bigger. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 3. Put my placeholder zeros in. So my answer is 36,300. 4.14 times 10. 1 place again. So the 4's moving 1. make sure we line our decimal point up. The decimal point isn't going anywhere. So we have 41.40. If we write the answer, we can write 41.4, and that 0 doesn't matter. Sorry about the decimal point in the wrong place there. So last one, 3.9 times 1,000. We're moving 3 places. So our 3 is going to go 1, 2, 3. It's going to go right over here, followed by the 9. Placeholder zeros leading up to where the decimal point is. So if we check, our answer is 3,900. If you put 3,900.0, that's absolutely fine. Why don't you make a few of your own questions up now? And then watch the next video, which we focus on dividing. Bye for now.